Okay, Mercedes A Class automatic door locks, W169. Let's do it.
Let's move on, 'cause it's time to move on.
Key on just before you start the engine. Press the menu button on the left until you get to the screen that says reset. That bad boy there. Press the up arrow and you'll go into the settings menu. Now on the right hand side of the steering wheel, use the plus and the minus keys. And that's denoted here by the top. Plus, minus. So minus to move down. Vehicle, go into vehicle, press the up arrow. What do we see on the screen? Automatic door locks are on. You can switch it on and off by simply pressing the minus and the plus key. We're now off. Press the menu key to come back out of the menu. We're back to the main screen and now the doors won't lock automatically. And obviously if you want them to come on after a certain speed that they lock, then just turn them on by pressing the plus key. Press the menu until you see the ones with the setting. Press the up arrow. Now press the plus and minus key to go down until you see vehicle. Enter that by pressing the up arrow. Use the plus key to go back to on. Press the menu key to go back out. The car will now automatically lock the doors as you drive along.